good morning. Selamat pagi semua. Oi. Teruk yang itu. Okey, hari ni kita ada bukan ride lah. Bukan nak buat ride video. Ini ride nak buat upgrade lah. Dia pun dah berjasa lama dengan kita kan. Banyak memory juga lah. Dah 2 years plus lah kan. So it's time for an upgrade. Tapi upgrade apa tu? Jom, let's go.
One eternity later.
And yes, we have a new upgrade. Upgrade tu bukan Natalia. Natalia aku takkan upgrade lah. Kalau tambah kunci pun aku simpan Natalia ni. The new upgrade tu. Nampak tu. So the new Insta360 One X5. Ngam semalam dah order. Aku keluarkan One X2 tu nak buat shooting kan, nak buat video ni. Tengok dia punya power button punya rubber dah hancur. Dah berkecai. Macam tahu-tahu je aku dah beli One X5. Kesian One X2. Banyak berjasa tu. Tapi I will still keep my One X2 for my other shots lah. And also as a backup lah kan. Kenapa I nak upgrade? Kenapa I nak upgrade ke One X5 ni? Well, one, because of my One X2 dah, how to say, dah uzur lah. Dah properly used. Properly used and abused. Tapi so far lucky lah. Dia, aku dah pakai dah almost 3 tahun. Dia punya lens tu tak calar. So pretty lucky lah. Dan kenapa I pilih One X5 Kenapa I tunggu kan? Sebab ada tahu lah. Macam dah tahu kan. Ada six sense yang jangan keluar replaceable lens. Tu yang paling penting for any 360 punya kamera kan. Those that uses 360 kamera tahulah kenapa replaceable lens tu penting. Bukan murah nak tukar lens tu kalau yang bukan replaceable. One thing mahal, second thing is nak kena hantar pergi Hong Kong lah kan. Dan kena bayar lagi kalau I don't think it's covered under warranty lah. But the One X5 now dah boleh user replaceable. User replaceable lens. Kereta ni. And that is the main reason lah why I choose the One X5. Second, close to number one, but it's still second, is the pure video mode. Pure video mode ni I dah try kat Ace Pro 1 aku ni kan. So kalau pakai One X2 tu time malam memang hancur lah. Tak boleh pakai lah video. So after seeing the reviews, ni bukan review I bukan review I'm a user So I seen the reviews on YouTube. Tengok dia punya sample of night shots kan. That what caught my eye lah kan. Sebab I pun selalu pun ride malam. Time ride jauh lah, ride malam kan. Time pergi cross border semua, aku ride malam. So I like to shoot at night lah. So that's why this entices me 1X5 ni. So yep, I think I want to stop talking lah. Every time I buka mulut kan, aku ni membibil dia non-stop. So just watch the footage and korang judge for yourself lah, whether it's a good buy, good investment ke. I dah banyak beli kamera ni, so I hope this will last me for a long time lah. Bukan murah, bukan sponsor pun. Pay with my own hard-earned money, which I don't have much.
Few moments later.
Testing out pure video mode on the Ace Pro and the 1X5. Okay, testing pure video mode. Ni video tengah malam lah, time malam, time low light kan. So kita test tengok macam ni. So kepada user-user yang ada remote ni kan, GPS remote yang version 2 I rasa X5 boleh guna lah. So yang aku tengok dalam review, GPS remote ni boleh pair kepada maksimum 3 kamera lah. 3 kamera Insta360 lah. Tapi I belum cuba lagi. But you all can Google lah. Can you Google, you can search in YouTube. Ada lah. Baru tadi I nampak satu video pasal connection to 3 cameras using the remote. So okay, let's see how the result is. Harap-harap cantik lah. Sebab memang I beli apa, one of the reason I beli 1X5 ni sebab dia punya pure video mode lah. Sebab I tahu Ace Pro punya pure video mode untuk night shots memang cantik lah kan, dapat clear kan. Sorry a bit windy aku pakai visor tinted, so I tak boleh turunkan visor. Alright, let's check it out. Insert the audio coming from the X5 direct lah. X5 ni baru dia ada wind buff. Dia ada buff, wind buffering. So tak adalah dengar bunyi apa, bunyi crackling ataupun bunyi angin. Betul. Wind noise lah. The noise cancellation lah. Mic voice cancellation. Dark area to bright area. Macam billboard ni, macam Sunway punya building ni, Sunway Pyramid. Let's see how it looks like lah. Disclaimer, I bukan reviewer I'm a user. I pengguna je. So setting semua auto lah. Memang auto di setting. I tak buat apa-apa changing, takkan buat color grading pun. Just import into my laptop and then I will just edit, and then this is what you guys say lah. Let's check out Sunway Pyramid. barricade dah jatuh pun. Cafe Racer. Can hear the exhaust from this bike. Maybe buka lampu. So I will switch in between lah this Pro dengan One X5 punya footage ni. So you can see the comparison lah. Kalau compare dengan X2 tu memang tak payah. X2 tu kalau malam memang out lah. Memang nampak lah grainy je. Makan 4 bulan woi. All for the content, not all for the gram. I punya Instagram pun tak aktif pun. It's all for the content. Okay, saya rasa cukup footage ni kan, dapat comparison je lah. Nak cuba try test the pure video mode on the One X5 and the Ace Pro. Okay, hopefully in the near future lah ada video motovlog lah. Sekarang dah sebab kerja punya pasal kan, so baru dapat staff baru, dah lepas training, waiting to get another new staff in the other outlet, and then adalah masa sikit untuk pergi ride lah. So I guess this is it. Thank you guys for watching this One X5 video and upgrade which I needed. Memang paksa lah, One X2 dah marah ya. And this is me, I am Chris, and I'll see you guys at the next ride. Tak tahu bila, hopefully soon lah. Alright, bye bye. Just testing the audio of the One X5. This is the audio directly from the camera.
This is an audio test. This is the audio from the Apple AirPods Pro. Yeah, this is from the Apple AirPods Pro. Audio from the Apple AirPods Pro. How does it sound like? Is there a difference between using the AirPods and from the direct from the camera?